What about winter fruit? This is a Palora. Hey, I'm Caroline with Green Farm for All, and we are in March, and we still have some great fruits on the plants. So in this season, the Palora gets their flower much later, and this is when that flower opened actually. So that would be September 23rd, and we're March 22nd. And so this one still is not coming off much, but that one, yeah, the thorns are coming out pretty easy. So we're gonna take that one and see. We're gonna put it in the fridge for 30 minutes and taste it. We have also Colombian Yellow, believe it or not, but it may take 6 months before we get a fruit that will ripe. I don't have my tripod with me today, so I'm gonna try to do my best to show you what I do one-handed with fruits that have thorns. So I've got this brush that I use only for that, and there is a Ziploc bag because I want to make sure that I'm not getting thorns all around in the shed. So I'll just get the thorns, and I do have a bucket under, so you try to collect as much as you can. That one is 189 grams, and this one is 300, we'll say about 312 grams. And just to give you an idea, 454 grams is 1 pound. It's time to taste the Palora. That's what it looks in there. I wonder if it's a little overripe, but we'll see. I think it's been a couple of days that it's been losing its thorn. Go in the middle to get the most sugary sweetness. Okay, let's taste. Remember, don't chew the seeds. Sorry, it is very sweet. Actually, it has a nice little flavor, and I'm pretty sure. Oh, the little one is the one that was not cross-pollinated, it was pollinated by its own pollen, so not bad. Yeah, I like it. Better than the one in the store anyway, so note to self, grow your own. Actually, I've been taking the juice here. It's very tasty.